Yeah. Hi Sangamitra and Pallavi. I think both of you are in. Hi Sangamitra. Hi Pallavi. I think Pallavi is in mute, I think.
Yes, sir.
Hi Pallavi. So, can I start the session, Sangamitra? We can wait for Pallavi.
Yeah, if she'll join in 5 minutes, then it's okay. Let's wait 5 minutes.
Okay. I think she joined, but she's not, I think.
Okay, then we can start.
Or she's not giving any reply, right? Whether she's there or not.
Okay. Then we can start.
Okay, we'll wait for 2 more minutes.
Sure, sure. No problem. Yeah, today I had the interview in for a Tableau developer position. It went well.
Okay, hey, that's great.
Yeah. And only thing, I read the theoretical part of the LOD.
Okay.
So that question answer I answered, but not satisfactory. Otherwise, all other things were good.
Okay.
Still, even I watched the YouTube video of LOD, I am not able to understand. I watched many times, but I didn't understand. I just read that.
Yeah, I think Pallavi is here.
Okay.
Hi, Pallavi. I think you are in mute. You can unmute yourself. Okay, then I'm starting the session now.
Okay.
Any doubts, Sangamitra or Pallavi, regarding the previous class? We have seen how to connect the data with the flat file or database, and what is the custom SQL, and what is the .twb and .twbx, live connect and extract. Any doubts in this, so that I can step forward to the next topic?
So I have one question on the extract, because today the interviewer asked me and I read it that somewhere, so I answered that way, but I don't know whether it is correct or wrong. That in the extract file, how it works, right? I told the data is encrypted, so that's why, because it is huge data, right? So is that correct?
Yeah, see, for example, if you have 1 lakh records or 10 lakh records, means we'll take the extract.
Yeah, like we are, yes, we are taking the extract, means it is kind of more than like a few GBs, right? It is a more like more than like the, suppose you are extracting the data, it is the millions of records, then it is around 1 GB data, 2 GB data.
Yes.
And so it is it really occupying that space, or it is encrypted and
no, it will occupy this space. See, I have extracted like 1 crore data also I extracted. So what it will do means, it will extract means it will save it with the .tdx format, okay? .tde format. So it will store in local database. I mean local machine. So it's nothing but
local machine, but local machine, but not exactly as the database is storing column by rows by that way. It is encrypted, right?
Yeah, extract itself is nothing but it is saving in a columnar type, not in a row type.
Okay. Okay.
It will save the data in columnar type, not in a row type.
Okay.
Okay. Hi Pallavi, I think you are.
Yeah. Hi.
Yeah, hi. Okay then. Any doubts, Pallavi, regarding yesterday's session?
Regarding yesterday's session,
Okay. Okay then. Today we'll move to the. So today and tomorrow also I'll tell you only the basic things. Then we will start the main topics. Okay.
Anil, actually, how to install this Tableau software? You'll provide in.
See, first I'll give you one link, or training people give you one link. So you have to install that. That works for only for 14 days.
14
days. It's a full trail version. Tableau desktop. Either you can install Tableau 10 latest version also you can install, but it works only for 14 days. So you have to use more means. Just go to help. In help, you can find this manage product keys. And go to here. You can see here, right? HTTP. Just send a request to them. See, I'm so I'm very much interested in Tableau. So I have installed a Tableau trail version. Now that my trail version is finished, I need a license key. Like that, you drop a mail. Do you have any ID, like a student ID or something?
No, I don't.
We should provide. Otherwise, office ID. Do you have office ID?
Yeah.
I think you can scan it and send it to them. So they will provide you one key. That key can be used up to 1 year.
Okay.
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 And that key can be shared by 3 members. 3 members can use one key. Can be used by 3 members. And 1 year we can use it. Okay.
Okay.
I'll help you on that. Okay. No.
Okay. Thanks.
I'll provide a link also. So you can download a Tableau desktop trail version for 14 days and you can use this. Okay, yesterday we discussed about Tableau introduction, connecting to flat files, custom SQL, join, live connect, and extract, right? Any doubt in this first topic?
No.
Okay, we move to the second topic. Yeah, formatting annotations not used in the workbook. See, what is a formatting means? I told you, right? A dimension will be by default in a blue color and measure will be in a green color. Okay. See, when I drag my region here, so it is in a blue color, right? And you can see here, show me. Just click show me. See, with this only one field, I can create a text. This is nothing but a cross-tab report. Okay. See, if you want to create a pie chart, go and hover on pie chart. It will tell what are the fields. You don't know how to create a pie chart. Just go and hover on here. See, it will tell you for pie charts, try 1 or more dimensions, 1 or 2 measures. Right? You are seeing this, right?
Yes.
So like this, you can For example, you got a requirement to create a horizontal bar chart. Just go and hover on horizontal bar chart. It will tell you what are the fields you want. At least you want 0 or more dimensions and one measure should be there. Right? One or more measures should be there. Like this you can hover any of the graph and it will tell you what are the fields to create that particular graph. Now, see, I just dragged a region here, but this is enabled, right? So this is nothing but a cross-tab report, text table. It's like nothing but an Excel sheet, rows and columns. Now, if I drag sales and drop it in columns or rows anywhere, see, so many graphs are enabled, right? So with these two fields, I can create cross-tab, I can create heat map, I can create highlight table, I can create a pie chart, I can create barring bar, stack bars, I can create a horizontal bar, I can create tree maps. N number of graphs I can create it with just two fields. Are you getting right?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is how Tableau shows. You can show N number of graphs. Okay. Now, see, when I drag sales, it is showing, when I drag region, it is showing the values, right? Africa, Canada, Arabia. This is very, very important. Please look into this. Now, if I'm dragging sales here, I'm not able to see the sales value, right? It is in a bar graph and it is in a green color. You have to see this continuous and discrete. If it is in a continuous, you can show it in a graph. Okay. Now I got a requirement. I need to show it in the cross-tab report. How can I show? Here I am getting graph, right? Am I correct? But I want here value. I don't want here graph. I want value here. So when I'm dragging any field, any measure, if you drag here, by default it will be in a continuous. Okay. If I discrete this, see, then I'm getting the value, right? I'm seeing this. This is very, very important. Please focus on this. See, whenever I drag a measure, by default it will be in a green color with continuous state. But my requirement is I need to create a report based on region and sales. That should be in a cross-tab report. But if I'm dragging here, it is showing me a graph, right? So to get the cross-tab report, what I'm doing, I'm just changing continuous to discrete. If I do this, see the color of the green, I mean, measure is in green, but it changed to blue, right? And it is, the values are correct. Okay? But please don't do these type of mistakes, okay? Somebody will do, I want to cross-tab, directly they will go and drop here and they will discrete this. You should not do this. This is wrong in Tableau. You should not change the measure into a blue color, green color into blue color. You should not discrete this. You can discrete only for date fields, okay? Then, how can I create a report? I want a cross-tab report, but I should not change this continuous to discrete. Okay? See, if I drag here, this will be in horizontal bar chart, but I want only cross-tab report. So I want this here. So to actually see, and again I will tell you, if I discrete this, I cannot show totals and subtotals. This is very, very important. It's an interview question as well. See, I'm showing based on segment wise, I'm showing region, right? This is my cross-tab report. The report is correct, but I want to see totals and subtotals for this report. If you change a measure into discrete, continuous into discrete, you cannot show totals and subtotals. See, totals and subtotals will be available in analysis. Go to analysis. We have an option called total. If I want a grand total, if I want subtotals, means I cannot show. See, are you getting any total here? No, right? You're not getting a sales total value, right?
Yes.
It is showing only total. So this report is wrong. Why? Because you see, For grand total, I am not getting any value. For subtotals, I am not getting any value. Why? Because we changed a measure, a continuous to discrete. So it should not do that. Okay? Understood, right?
Yes.
We should not change our measure value continuous to discrete. If you change like that, you cannot show totals and subtotals. And if you observe carefully, whatever I am dragging, I am getting ABC here, right? Unnecessarily.
Yeah.
So sometimes they will ask, see, I don't want this ABC. See, why they'll be confused, right? What is this ABC? It's nothing but in marks we have text automatic. This automatic is nothing but ABC. Okay. So now my requirement is I want to show segment, region, sum of sales, okay, in a cross tab report, and I should have subtotals and totals, and this ABC should not be shown in my report. This is my requirement. Okay.
Okay.
And how to achieve this? This is a wrong method. You should not drag your, you should not change your measure continuous to discrete. Okay. See how to achieve this. I will show you. First, drag your segment here. Segment of shift code in a column. And I am dragging the region here. See, I have a values right now. Now I want to show sales. If I drag sales here, let me do it here. See, if I drag sales here, I am getting sales value, right? But this ABC gone, right? Now you are not seeing ABC. Instead of ABC, you are seeing the sales value. But you are not able to see the column name, right?
Yes.
The column name is blank. If I want two values, means this approach is correct. Select sales and select profit and directly drag and drop in ABC. This is nothing but text. You can drop here. Otherwise, you can drop in ABC. Now I will get profit and sales names, column names. But I want only one value, right? I want only sales. I don't want profit. If I remove profit from here, see, I am not getting a sales value, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So to achieve that, how? So instead of dragging sales, what are these? Discount, profit, quantity, sales. These are measures, right? See, if you come here in dimensions, the last field will be measure names. So drag this measure names into columns. Okay. And select what are all the fields you want. See, drop down, select this drop down button and select filter. Here you will find all these measure names. These are all measures only, right? Discount, profit, quantity. The same values will be here. So uncheck everything and select only sales. And OK. You selected the column name, but you are not showing values, right? So to get the values, come down. Here, see, in dimensions you will find measure names. In measures you will find measure values. Now drag this measure value and drop it in text or ABC. See, now you are getting the value, right, with the column name. See, I will repeat this once again. See, I have ship mode and region. I want to show sales value. If I want to show sales and profit, means directly I can drag. I can select profit and sales and I can drag it and drop it here. So that I'll get the column names as well. But I want only one value. So to get the one value, I'm not getting column name, right? If I'm dragging sales and dropping here. So to get the column name, what I'm doing, these are all measures. So in dimensions, in the last column, you'll find measure names. In measure names, you won't find any values. It will find only column names. So what I'm doing, I'm dragging measure names in column and selecting the appropriate column what I have to show in the report. So I have to show sales. So uncheck none. Only select only sales value, sales column. Okay. Now I selected the sales. See, now I want value. So I need measure value. So drag and drop it in tables. Now you get the sales value along with the sales column. Understood?
Anil, actually, why if we take two columns, profit and sales, both if we take it is showing header, otherwise it is not. If we take single column, why it is not showing header?
Actually, I don't know that, but to get, if you are selecting single column means it won't show the header part.
Okay.
That's how this Tableau is working.
Okay.
Okay, but keep it in mind. See, if you are taking one column, it won't show the column name. That's why we have to do these steps. Just dragging measure names in a column and selecting only the appropriate column what you want, and drag your measure value and drop it here. So you can show this column. Now see, now we can able to show totals and subtotals. See, analysis, total. I need all subtotals, and I need grand total. Now you are getting this, right? Total and subtotal. These are all the subtotals, and this is the grand total. See, now your measure value is green color. It's in continuous, right?
Yeah.
You are not changing this green to blue, and you are achieving your. You are not showing ABC. Instead of ABC, you are showing value. You are showing subtotals and totals, and you are showing a constant before. We achieved this, right? So any doubts here?
No.
Okay. Now I'll tell you formatting. The same thing I am changing. See, I'm dragging region, dragging subcategory. I'm showing my sales value. Like this also you can show across tab. Okay. See, here I'm not showing any column sales name. I'm showing within the report. See. Okay. If you hover this, it will show a sales value for each and every region. See, the upper part is region wise, the row part is in subcategory wise. We are seeing this. See now, if you want to format this, how can I format it? Formatting is nothing but, see, I can show you this report, I can publish this report, I can send it to my user. But it's not so attractive, right? Tableau is a visualization tool. At least we should give some colorings for this report, right? As Tableau is a reporting tool, I cannot send as it is. So you will get cross-tab reports requirement means don't send this report as it is. Of course, this data is correct, but you should not send like as it is. You should show some colors, right? That would be good, right? See now, same duplicate, I'll duplicate this C and I'll do formatting. Just formatting is nothing but wherever you want, whatever you want, just right click and go and select format. Here we have 5 types of formattings. Just font, alignment, shading. You know the font, right? It's an Excel sheet like font. Which font I should get? How much font size? It should be bold or italic or underline. It should be any other color. See, I'm selecting color here for font with without bold. Now I got this. Now I want here. The column should be in a separate color so that it will be very easy to understand that, okay, these are all the columns. So what I am doing means right click on the columns, format, and I am giving the color. See? This is the background color shading. Font I am giving white color with bold. See now, I get a nice color, right? So here for subcategory also, format, shading, blue, and white color with bold. So I don't want this region. So right click, hide field labels for columns. This region is unnecessary for me, right? So I can hide this. See, region gone. Only my region values is there and subcategory is there. This is called font. You know that font, right? Now format. Again, see what is the next one. This is alignment. Alignment is nothing but the value should be in left corner or right corner or middle. You can see, right, the values are changing. See, if I select middle, will change. If I select right, will change. So this is normal. This is how we use this alignment. And this is row banding. See, what is a row banding means? See now. Now, sometimes he will ask, the worksheet should be in a different color, background. Now it is in a light gray color, right? Now if I want the worksheet in a thick black color, means I can show like this. Some other color. The background of the color, if you want a background of the color means, you can select row banding. In worksheet, you can select the background. Now you can see, right, light rose color you are seeing. Okay. You are seeing the entire report, background light rose color, right? If I give thick black means, I'm getting everything in black color. It's up to us. So what we will do means, basically we will go for very light colors. So I have a light color, right? In row banding, we can change that. Now, what is this row banding? Row banding is nothing but, sometimes you ask, I want alternative colors for each and every row. First row should be in one color, second row should be in another color. Again, third row should be in the same color of the first row, and the next will be like this. Alternative colors. You got it, right?
Yes.
So you can go and select this color here first. What color you want for alternative color? I want blue color. Select blue. You are seeing right now? Okay, I'll give you a little bit big color. You are seeing that blue color now?
Yes.
I'll go to more color and I'll select very light color. See, this is the alternative color. See, first row will be one color, second row will be another color. Again, alternative colors. For header also you can change. If you want to change the color, means you can change. No need otherwise. Sorry. The same color we have to select. This is called row banding. Now, if I want two rows in one color means, here you have band size. You can increase the band size. So you'll get two rows in one color, right? If you increase this, 3 rows will be one color. So like this. This is like an alternative colors, row banding. Okay. Any doubts here? Just we are showing in a colorful way. That's it. Row banding is not so much necessary. If you want, you can use this row banding, but use a very light colors like this. Now you are able to see, right? Alternative color, light rose, light blue. Okay. This is row banding. Now what is this fourth one? Now I am giving borders to my sheet. So go and select whatever you want. I am selecting this thin line with thick black color. See, I'm giving borders. Then my report looks very good. See, now my report looks good, right? Now I want to show this grand total in different color so that you can easily identify, okay, this is the total for every region. So right click. See, wherever you want to change, just right click on that and go to format. Select here grand total is there. Go and select here. Select a color. Pick color. See? Now on values also you can select format. Grand total. Pick color. Now you're getting right. So this is a formatting. See, you can compare now this report with the other report. Which report looks good? Either this or this. Sheet 2 reports report good looking good, or sheet 3 is looking good? No. Sheet 3 is looking good, right? Compared to this sheet 2.
Yes.
So this is called a formatting. We are giving some coloring to the report. As Tableau is a visualization tool, we should show in some colorful ways. Okay. Any doubts here, Pallavi and Sanghamitra?
No.
Okay. So, but you understood, right? We should not go with a discrete value. Discrete. We should be in continuous. Okay.
Yeah.
That is very, very important. Don't make this measure values discrete. If you want a crosstab report, you can show like this, or you can show, I told you, right? Drag measure name and drop it in, and drag measure values and drop it in text. Like this we can show crosstab reports. But for crosstab reports, please don't change continuous to discrete measure values. Okay? You cannot show totals and subtotals, and you cannot hide ABC if you do that. Understood?
Yeah.
This is an interview question as well. Yeah.
Anil, actually, then what is the use of that discrete option?
Discrete option means for date fields. I want to show the exact date. I want to show it in a crosstab reports. For date fields, it will work. You can do for discrete. See, I'm not saying that values will show wrong. It will show correct values only. But you cannot show totals and subtotals, right? The main thing. If you're showing in a crosstab report, he will ask, where is my totals and subtotals? You cannot do that. And unnecessarily we are showing ABC, right? He will ask, why ABC is coming? Please hide that. We can't do if you discrete this.
And Anil, that discrete value also, the order ID or employee ID, department ID, even if those are numeric, we use those as the discrete value, not the continuous, right?
Yes, sometimes we can use, yeah.
Because
See,
those are not considered as the, even if they are the numeric data type, product ID, employee ID, department ID, even if those are numeric data type, they are not considered as the measures, right? And
it will be in dimension, right? There is no problem for
mhm.
Okay. Can I move for the next topic? I mean,
Yes.
Sure.
in formatting, sorry, we have the last one I forgot to tell you. In formatting, we saw what is font, alignment, shading, and borders. This line is nothing but showing background lines. See, I'm creating a report, subcategory, then profit. See, now this is in a standard mode. I'm changing to entire view. So it will occupy this space also. This white space is there right here in the right side. It will show in the entire view. See here, for me, I don't have any background lines, right? for 250K, for 200K, for 100K. So if you want a background line, then go to format and select line and show grid lines with this color, any color. Now you are getting a background color lines, right? See, previously it's not there. It's a white color. Now, if I want to show any lines, means I can show a dotted line. Whatever line you want, you can select here, and you can select the color as well. Okay, this is called lines. This very simple. Okay. Now, I'll tell you what is a color, size, label. Okay, let me finish this date field. Date formatting, I'll tell you in the third topic then. Let me finish this formattings. See now, the main important thing is this marks. You should know what is this marks. Okay. See now, I drag subcategory and profit, right? I want to see based on color wise. Each subcategory should show in different color. This bar. Now bar is everything showing in one color, right? Blue color. I don't want to see this. I want to see each and every subcategory with a different color. So what we will do basically, here we have color. These are our marks: color, size, label, detail, and tooltip. Just drag this subcategory and drop it in a color. See, now you are getting a nice colors, right? You don't like these colors. You want to change these colors. So this is a legend. We call this as a legend. Legend is nothing but what is the, if you want to see what is the blue color bar means, it will show accessories. So basically we will hide this. Now I want to change the color of the bar. So go to color, edit color. See, we have by default automatic colors. If you want to change, means see, here we have n number of colors. See, if you are going with the Tableau 20 means this. If you are going with traffic light, you want to change this blue color to red. Select this accessories and select this red color. See, now you change it to red, right?
Yes.
Now appliance is light blue color. Now you want to change this to thick yellow. Change to red. See, if I apply, these two bars will be changed. Change it, right? Color, red and yellow. So still you are not liking these colors. All these colors, you are not satisfied with colors. So double click if you want to change this art. Now double click on art. So see here you will find some more colors. And here you can find, if you want to select this blue color, you can adjust the thickness of also. If you drag down, you can adjust the thickness. Okay. It's simple. You can select from here. Otherwise, double click on art. I want to change the art color. Double click on this. So this basic colors will open. If you want to give purple or something, select this. If you want thick color means come down. If you want something light color means go up. Just drag your mouse by holding them. If I click OK, now the art color is changed, right? Now binders, still you don't like these colors. You can see here some numbers are there, right? This is HTML code. What you can do means, you can go and you can set your own color. See, color codes. These are all the color codes, right? You can bring any of the color code and you can show you. See, now you like this color, this color. Just copy this code, okay, from Google and come to Tableau and you can save it here. You can paste it here. See, now this color came, right? See, I copied from here this code, this color, and I pasted. This color came right now. Okay. Now for Windows, that color came right. See, like that you can set your own color as well. If you are not liking these colors, go to Google, color codes, whatever you want, you can select. Bring that code, color code here. If you want this, just select this color, copy this code, come to Tableau, go to color. You want to change for bookcases, just paste that code here. Let's. The color came right. This color. Any doubts here?
No.
Now, see, this is opacity. It's like a transparency. If you decrease this, you can't see. Okay? This should be 100%. Now, see, for each and every bar, there is no border color, right? If I am hovering on any particular bar, then I am getting a black color border, right?
Yes.
See for this. Sometimes, if you want a border color means, go and select border with black. Now we are getting borders, right, for each and every bar. This is called border here. Okay. This is about this color. We use color in Tableau in these ways. Okay. Sometimes I want to show based on subcategories there right here. I want to show based on region wise or year wise. So directly drag my order date and drop it in color. So now this bar is changed, right? It is differentiating into 4 types based on year wise, right? Like this also we can use. Direct color we can use. So we can do n number of undos in Tableau until you save. Any doubts here?
On that bars, actually, I want to see the figures also. Sales. Some profit is there, right? I want to show that. I want to show that profit figure also.
Yeah, I'll come to that. There we have the labels. I'll tell you.
Okay. Okay.
Now color is finished. Now come to size. Size is very simple here. Just if you want to decrease your width size, you can decrease or you can increase. It is very simple. Okay. Now come to label. You asked, right? See now, if I'm hovering on any particular bar, then I'm able to see accessories and profit, right? See, from where we are getting this? See, if I'm hovering any particular bar, I'm able to see subcategory copiers and profit 258568. From where we are getting means, if you drag any fields, any dimension or measure in a report, by default it will sit in a tooltip. See, we have tooltip, right? If I select tooltip, I am able to see subcategory and profit, right? If I am deleting these two, now I can't see, right, if I am hover also.
Yes.
Okay. This is called tooltip. I'll tell you this tooltip also. Now come to label. Now I want to see my profit value on top of the bar. On top of the bar or on the bar, anywhere. So how to do that? I can go and select, here text is there, right? I can go and select the text like this. So that if I select this, I'm getting my profit values. Otherwise, drag your profit and drop it in a label. In 2 ways we can do it. Okay? See, this is a label. Now, select label. In label, we have n number of options. Text. If I want to change the color, so if I want to show it in a bold, select bold. And to change the size means change the size. Want to change the color means change the color. See? I'm going to more color. I'm showing a bright color. I'm able to see my color, red color, right? Label. Again, this is text. If you are selecting, this is font, which font you want to select. And this is alignment, whether it should be in middle or center, left, center or right. Now, the main thing here is, see, marks to label. What is this marks to label? Here we have all, selected, min, max, and highlight. 4 is there, right? We have 4 options. By default, it will be all. If I select all, see, I am able to see profit value for each and every subcategory, right? See, sometimes I'll get the requirement. I don't want to see my values here. If I select any particular bar, then only I should see the profit value. If I uncheck any particular bar, I should not see the value. Sometimes we'll get this type of requirements. At that time, what we have to do is go to label and go and select selected option. See now, I selected option now. I'm not able to see profit values for each and every bar. If I select any particular bar, then I'll see my profit value. See, if I uncheck this, I'm not able to see that. If I'm selecting any particular bar, I'm able to see the profit value. If I uncheck this, I'm not able to see that. You understood, right? What is now selected option?
Yes.
Now go to the third value, highlighted. It's simple. This is also same. I select highlighted. Same it works as a selected option. Okay? It is highlighting. Now go to min max. See, up to now we don't have any options here, right? All selected, highlighted, min max. Now if I select min max, again we'll get new options. Table, pane, cell. See, if I select min max only, then I'll get this. If I'm not selecting min max, if I select all, see, I won't get that option C. If I select selected, I won't get that. If I select highlighted, I won't. If I select min max, then I get table, pane, cell. Okay. What is this table, pane, cell? If I select min max and I am selecting entire table, means what it will show means in entire table what is the min value and what is the max value. In this entire table, what is the maximum value? Obvious, right? This is the highest bar. And what is the lowest bar? Tables, right? With negative value. Sometimes you'll get the requirement like this, right? Hey, please show me in a bar chart. Please show me only min value and max value. Means you have to go and do like this. Label. Select min max. In that, select table. Okay. Any doubts?
One more formatting, how to add the dollar symbol before the value?
Yeah, I'll tell. See, if you want to show dollar symbol, just right click, format. See, here we have, sorry, not here. Sorry. Profit is there, right? Click here, format. Here we have numbers. Select this. Number standard, number. So this is currency, right? Profit. So currency custom. Select currency custom and select. If you want decimal points means you can select decimal. If you don't want decimal means unselect this decimal. Now, if I am having negative value here, the negative value should be shown in a brackets. A negative value should be shown in a minus, and the negative value should be shown after the value, like this. Basically, we will go for negative values in the brackets. I'm selecting this. Now, if you want this, thousands, K, millions, billions, it's up to us. If you don't want means, don't. Now select here dollar. prefix. You can select here dollar and OK. Now see, we are getting a dollar in front of the value. Now you can see the negative value in brackets. Understood? Yeah. Next, I'm telling this label, right? Min and max. Now, what is the cell? Cell is nothing but, see, if I'm selecting cell, is there any, this is not correct, right? I cannot show for cell min and max, right? I'll show you this how. Don't go for cell. See, now I'm selecting table. Not from my side, the background noise. Pallavi, I think from your side, the background noise?
No.
Okay, so see now, if I select table means I'll get in entire table what is the min value and where is the max value. If I select pane, there is no change, right, in my report. Still I am showing min value and max value, right? Is there any change? Now I selected pane here. Is my report changed anything? See, I am selecting table. It is showing copiers as min value, max value, and the tables as min value. Now I am selecting pane here. Is there any change now in the report? No, right? Why? Because when we have to use pane means, see, if you are using pane means at least there should be 2 columns. See, I am dragging my order date and dropping here. I don't want null, so I am filtering out this null. Stand. I'm going with standard. See? Now my report is changing. Let's see. Label. I'm selecting table. Min max table. Now, in this entire view, entire table, copiers is my maximum value and tables is my min value, right? In this entire table. Are you getting?
Yes.
If I select see, what pane is nothing but this entire 2012 is one pane. In 2012, what is the maximum value? And this is my minimum value. What is come to 2013? This is my maximum value, this is my minimum value. Come to 2014. This is my maximum value, this is my min. So each and every year is treating as one pane. Okay? Are you getting right? Pane is nothing but year. 2013 is one pane, 2014 is one pane, 2015 is one pane, 2012 is one pane. So in this 2012, what is the max and min? In this 2013, what is the max and min? Okay? See, if I select table means, this again will change. This will take entire table. Irrespective to all the years, entire table it will show min and max. If I take pane means, it will show only for the particular year it will show min and max. Understood? Any doubts here?
No.
No.
Okay. Now, the third one I'll show it again. I'm going to subcategory. I'm showing my sales value. Now, see. Now I want min and max for pane. Cell, right? For cell is min and max, it's not good, right? See, if I'm showing my sales value and I'm showing min and max for cell means it's not so meaningful, right? For each and every, I'm having only one bar. How can I show min and max here? So when this requirement will come means, if I am showing order date here, order date into color. So now it will show min and max, right? For cell, particular cell. I am selecting particular cell, and in this bar, it is showing what is the min value, what is the maximum value. What is the min value, what is the maximum value. So suppose my year is not there here. It's useless, right? How can it show min and max value? It has only one value, right? For accessory, it is having only 749237. We can't show min and max, right, for this. To get that, if you are having any extra field on this, order date is in color. Now it will show min and max for entire cell. This is called entire cell. So any doubts on table, pane, cell? No problem. I'll repeat you once again. Any doubts?
No.
Okay then. Now, what is the detail? See, you know what is color, size, label, tooltip also you know, right? By default, it will show tooltip. If I drag any columns or rows, it will show in a tooltip. If you want to change the color means you can change the color. See, this I can show it in this color with bold. This color with bold. This is the column name. Now value can be shown in a different color. See, if I hover, I'm getting a color, right? This is tooltip. What is detail? Detail means it's simple. I am dragging my region here, and I am dragging my sales value here. If I want to create any for this report, for example, I want to create box plot chart. Select this. Now I am getting based on region wise. See, I am getting region wise all this way, and if I drag my subcategory into detail, what will happen for this report? Again, my subcategory also added, right? If I am showing in a region here, now I drag this subcategory. Now I drag this subcategory and drop it in detail. So it is adding to the report, right? Understood? Just we are adding to the report. Instead of dragging in columns or rows, we are dropping in detail. So here I can see subcategory and as well as regions. If I drag here, region central, subcategory, what is subcategory? Phones. Okay. Any doubts here for color, size, label, tooltip and detail? It's very easy. It looks like easy, but you have to practice this. Otherwise, there is a chance to forget. So then and there, if you practice this means it will be very good. See, for looking wise, for hearing wise, it's very easy. I told you, right? Tableau is very easy. It's a simple drag and drop option, and we are selecting the options. But you have to practice this. See, these are all basic things. I haven't started any topics yet. Now I'm focusing on basics only. Tomorrow also I'll tell you only basics. You should be strong in basics. Then you can play with the reports if you're strong in the basics. Any doubts, Pallavi or something?
No.
Okay, today I'll stop here. Okay.
Okay.
You can practice. Do you want this DWBX report, this workbook?
Yes.
Okay, I'll send it to your training people. They will send it to you.
I asked about recording sessions actually.
He
They're not
has
sending?
already sent that. Yeah, he has already sent that. You didn't get that?
No.
Oh, okay. Then you need to tell to Venkat.
Just drop a mail to them.
Okay.
Otherwise, I will tell them personally. I'll call them and I will tell them.
Okay.
So, Sangamitra received and Pallavi not yet received, right?
Yes.
Okay. Pallavi, you can drop a mail to them.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. You can ask me.
Yeah, Anil, so I have to go somewhere. So for this week only, like tomorrow and day after tomorrow. So can we resume the class for 2 days?
Basically, I'm going for an leave on Thursday. I'll be available up to Thursday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, it's a festival. Good Friday and Easter. So I'm going to my hometown.
Yeah, Friday, Saturday, Sunday is also means Friday, Saturday. Anyway, we don't have class. We have class from Sunday to Thursday. Means sorry, in US time, okay,
Yeah,
your
see,
time.
in Indian time, Monday to Saturday
Friday.
classes.
No, Monday to
Sorry.
Friday.
Yes. See, my Saturday will be your Friday, right? See, now,
Yes.
today, Wednesday morning, 8:40 my time. I think your time is Monday night, right?
Yes.
So,
Yes, today is Monday night. Yes.
so classes will be like from Monday to Friday, my time, right?
Yes, Monday to Friday. So it is my time is Sunday to Thursday.
Yes.
Okay. So okay, then okay, let me okay.
So tomorrow are you joining the class or?
I was thinking like I don't want to stop it, but I am not sure like where I'm staying in the hotel. I have the Wi-Fi, but whether that Wi-Fi will be speed up for the class or not, I don't know yet. That's why I was thinking.
Okay, tomorrow also we'll have. See, I'll tell you only basics. If you miss the class, they'll provide you the recorded session, right?
Okay.
See that recording session. If you have any doubts, and when you see, we'll meet again on
Yes.
Monday, right? At the time we can.
Monday?
If you miss these 2 days, I mean Wednesday. Tomorrow is my Wednesday. Tomorrow Thursday, right? We'll be missing 2 days.
No, not really. I'll come back on your Thursday. Yes.
Okay. Means
Thursday.
only tomorrow will be keeping the class.
Okay,
So
it's okay. You take the class and I'm taking laptop with me. If there is some issue, then I'll miss the class and I'll go with the recordings.
Tell you from Thursday, I'll tell you the main topic. And from Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I won't be available. I am going to my hometown due to my festival. Good Friday and Easter. So we'll meet on Monday. So tomorrow, obviously, tomorrow and day after tomorrow, we are meeting, right?
Yes, yes. Okay, no problem. I'll try my best to join the class. Okay. And Anil, could you please give your contact numbers so that I'll have that?
I should not give my contact number.
Because why I asked, Madhu, he gave his contact number. So any doubts or anything, I just in WhatsApp pinged him on his own time. If possible, then he just replies. That is the reason I'm asking.
This is a strict rule from training people. I should not share my email ID or mobile number. So I will ask them. Hi Venkat.
Yes, sir.
They are asking my mobile number.
No, we share you. Whom? Sangamitra asking, right? Or Pallavi?
Yes. No, this is Sangamitra asking.
Yeah. Sangamitra will share through WhatsApp. Okay. Once I
Yes. Okay.
then I will share to you.
Okay. Okay.
Thank
Okay. And Anil, the one like your agenda you are showing us, could you please send that to Venkat so that I'll
Sure,
have that
I'll
with
send.
me. So how
Today
we
I'll
are
send
proceeding.
this report and as well as my content.
Okay. So why do we need the report?
Just for your reference, that's it.
But in the recording we have, right?
Then it's okay. If you don't want me,
Okay.
I won't send.
No.
Okay,
But what is the use? Okay, no, you can send it, but
somebody
as
they will
long
ask,
as
please send me the workbook. Thanks.
oh,
Okay, I'll send
okay.
only this content.
No,
Already
as
you
long
are
as
having the videos, right?
yeah, as long as we have the videos, then we don't. I don't
Okay.
think we need the workbook.
Okay then.
I don't know if Pallavi needs, but I don't need the
Pallavi, you
workbook
want
because
this workbook?
Yes, I need.
Okay, I'll send it to Venkat and he will share it to you. Okay, then tomorrow we'll meet the same time then. Okay.
okay.
And
Okay.
please
Thank you.
please practice this. See, for saying it will be very easy, but if you're not practicing, there is a chance to forget this. So please practice
Yes.
and then there. And I'll send you the link. Okay. I'll show you. I'll send you the link. In that link, you can let me stop the sharing. I'll send you the link.
And how about the data source?
Yeah, you don't have this global superstore and sample superstore with you. So that's why I'll send my workbook. In that workbook, that superstore that file will be there, right?
Okay.
Let me take this. Let me share you that link. Yeah. See, this is the link. If you go and use this link, you can find the updated versions as well. So you can find Tableau desktop and as well as you can find Tableau server. See, now the latest version is Tableau 10.2.1. You can install that. You can install 64-bit. It's good. But we are discussing now Tableau 10.1. The latest version in the market is Tableau 10.2.1.
And how about the Tableau server? We also need to.
No.
No.
Okay. Tableau desktop, CSC. Tableau desktop. Okay. So I'm providing this link in a chat for all. You can. You got that link? In the chat, I sent you, right?
No.
I didn't get?
No, we didn't. No.
Let me do one thing. First I'm sending to Pallavi. You got Pallavi now?
Yeah.
Same way I'll send it to Sangamitra as well. You got Sangamitra now?
Yes.
Yeah. Use this link and you can install the latest version. Okay, 64-bit is good. And it will be 14 days trial version.
And if with student ID also, can I get 1 year key?
See, if you have student ID with you, I showed you, right? In Tableau, help, manage product keys. See, the key will be like this. Okay, please don't use this key. You can't use this key now. Okay. Already it's activated and see like that. Go on activate. See. Just drop a message to these guys. www.tableau.com support request. Requesting like, see, I am very much interested in learning in Tableau. I already installed a Tableau trial version, but it's going to be expert. Please, I want a key for 1 year. And you attach that student ID. They will tell you the process and they will provide you a key like this.
Okay.
So you can use this key for 1 year. It's free. They won't charge anything. And that key can be used by 3 members.
Okay.
So if you have student ID means you can get the key and you can share it to Pallavi as well.
No, I don't have. I have a person here. So
you are in US, right? You have some friends, students.
Yes. Yeah.
You can take their student ID and you can ping it.
Yes, I'll do that.
Do it right away, so that it will take I think 4 or 5 days time. So meanwhile, when the key comes, you can share it to Pallavi as well.
Okay.
You both can share. 3 members can use that.
Okay. Okay,
it's
sure.
a free. 1 year you can use that. I'll tell you how to activate that key. Everything I'll tell you.
Okay.
Please drop a mail to them. Why? Because Pallavi, she is not having the student ID.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay then. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you, Pallavi.
Thank you. Thanks, Sunny.
Tomorrow the same time we will join the class.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay, bye. Have a nice day.